Aloha, my name is Mele, or people know me as Mele Mossman. I'm of Hawaiian ancestry, born and raised on the island of Oahu, and maybe for 30 years I've lived on the Big Island, and currently I am back here on Oahu, and I work, but I enjoy learning about, in fact, I'm going to go for my CSAC, which is for my Counseling on Substance Abuse Certificate. And that's why I'm here at the Leeward Community College. In fact, it's funny, this semester, next semester, I'm seriously thinking of going full-time into school, hopefully getting my degrees. And it's a great campus. I love it. A lot of aloha. And the picture I did was called Mahina Heʻe Nalu, or moon surfing. And basically it was one of my last pictures that I did before I went into colors. And I really enjoyed it. What I did do was I took just a color black on a white background. The technique I've come up with it varies a lot. I first started with leather, and the dyes, it's dyes that I use for the coloring. And I use a wood burner and other techniques that I found out. And what was real interesting was that my brother says, you know, why don't you do color? So before I went into that stage of it, or that development of my artwork, I figured that I wanted to do what I would call a reputable drawing in black and white, so to speak. So one of my designs is that I'll take, it's basically a plastic acrylic, and then what I do is I take it, and so that you get another dimension, I split it up into pieces, as you can see on the painting, so that when you first look at it, it doesn't hit you all at once. The understanding was that when you see it, what you want to do is say, I know what that is. And then after really looking at it, then you can comprehend what I'm trying to get across. So it's another means of creating another dimension. And again, I feel honored that I got to participate in this contest.